Hello friend, A-Arduino. This is my project in this period. I try to make drone and uh, in drone project have many equipment have to connect together. Uh, as in the video you will see a lot of part you have to connect together. Motor and controller, sensor, and a lot of things have to do. This video I will start by connect the remote control. This project I use Flysky. This is very popular microcontroller, cheap and easy to use. I will connect this remote, and here is a receiver. I will explain how to connect together. This is the receiver. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 channel, and this port we call by and VCC port. We can map this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and by. This channel 1 also use PPM. I not explain for this project. We have to before we turn the power on, we will use the cable we call by cable. This cable is a jumper. You see when you unbox and then connect plug this in this port. That's it. This is okay. Make sure it's connected, tighten up. Okay, and don't forget to connect the power here. The red in the middle pin, I show in the diagram. In the middle pin is here is plus. This receiver use 4 volt to 8.4. You can select some of this, but I use this and this. So this is 5 volt and this is 0. The screen is 0. Okay. When I have done for power, another cable I will explain later. Another cable is a channel output for each channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I connect power and connect by cable, and then power on, and you will see this blink because of this is receiver still not connect to transceiver. But okay, the next step you have to do this procedure. You press by, see this is called by key. Press this, and at the same time turn the power on. This is power on. This means you can see transceiver and receiver, both TX and IX. This means you already connect you will see the LED solid. Then this procedure to connect transceiver and receiver is successful. Yes. Okay, this is a procedure. In the link below, I will put the information for connect and the manual for Flysky to more information if you still need information. So I hope this video will helpful. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for support my video. The next video I will hook up the receiver to Arduino Nano and read. See you next video. Bye bye.